Hey guys, and welcome back to VK. Bluetooth earphones have been in the trend for quite some time now, and Apple set the standard in the industry for the design and sound quality with the launch of their AirPods a few years ago. Today, we have with us a cute little pair of earpods from a brand called Chevron. It is available for 2,900 rupees on Amazon India, so let's get started with the review.
First, let's start with the design and build quality. It feels really good to hold in the hand. It is made up of a plastic material with in-the-canal type of design. These Chevron AirPods weigh only 21 grams. It is made up of a sturdy quality material and they do not feel as if it is of a cheap quality. The best part is they do not slip out of your ear during your usage activities like running, gymming or doing any other exercises. So the build quality in all our tests are a 4 out of 5. The most important feature of any acoustic gadget is the sound quality it produces, and this is the part where this champ rises above with flying colors. The quality of sound is crisp, there is no mushy sounds, it is having a perfect balance between the highs and the lows. It has great bass, better than many wired earphones. It uses the Qualcomm's CSR aptX chipset and the sound quality in all our tests is a 4.5 out of 5. Now let's talk about the battery and charging. This charging case is of 1500 milliamp hours. It takes around 2 hours to charge completely and gives a full backup of 1.5 days. Each of the earpods has to be plugged to this case to start them charging. They have a red light indicator to show that it is charging, and the AirPods will never fall off the charging case when they are put to charge. They have a continuous playback time of 6 to 7 hours and hence the battery rating is 4 out of 5. They have been given an IPX4 rating and hence they are sweat resistant as well. Once we are listening to the music from a device through these Bluetooth AirPods, we can just pause the music by clicking on the button on the AirPod. Now let's talk about the contents that is present in the box. It contains the AirPods themselves. It has a user manual. It has this USB charging cable, 3 different size tips, small, medium, large, and they have a carrying case as well. Press and hold the power button of one earpod for 4 seconds until the alternative red and blue light starts blinking. Open the Bluetooth settings on your device. Search for the name X2T. Press on it and this connection will be successful.
So that's it for this review of the Chevron Bluetooth earbuds. In all our tests, it has fared pretty well and we give it an overall rating of 4 out of 5. The question we answered in all our reviews is, should you buy it or not? And I say yes. For a rate of 2,999 rupees, it is certainly worth the money. And on some sale days on Amazon, it will go as low as 2,499 and you should certainly buy it. We will leave the links in the description to buy this product. Kindly buy it from that link. It will certainly help us our channel. Hit the like button if you like this video, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content ahead. Thanks for watching guys.